Welcome back to Ravi's Kitchen. Tonight I'm not going to do any cooking. Tonight I'm going to talk about knives. I got two knives here for tonight. This is basically my general kitchen knife. Now, one most important thing is that the knife must be very, very sharp. I sharpen my knife using a 800 grit and I use figure 8 motion. I'm not an expert in sharpening knife, but this is how I sharpen my knife. Getting the whole length surface of my sharpening stone, and I have also, and after using 800, I'll use a much finer gritstone, and this is very, very fine. I think it's about a couple of thousand. Again, you have to be very careful because that stone is very, very soft, and just a line sort of apply through the surface. You get that going. You can use all the surface area. Okay. But my knife is very sharp. Anyway, I keep my knife sharp all the time. Now, how do you test your sharp knife? Okay, let's see. Vegetable, tomato. Now that is a good test for sharpened knife. Okay, take a look. Just gently cut, and you can see how thin I can cut this tomato. Okay, see that? Okay. Oh, let's try with my other knife. See whether it's cut the same. Oh, see, it's of a different steel. So this one is not. It's okay. I need to sharpen a bit more. I'm not sure because they're different steel. This one is notice. It just glide through. So you need to have very good knife. So see how sharp and how good the cut is. Okay, this is Borneo specialty. This is endemic to Borneo. It's in color. It's sort of avocado-like texture, and you're not supposed to cut it, but it's a good test as well to see how sharp your knife is. And this fruit is very, very soft, and what you do is you just warm the fruit up and it's ready to be eaten, just like that. Okay, and I'm cutting through. The stone is quite hard, but because my knife is rather sharp, it just glides through that as well. Okay, orange. Okay, let's see. Okay, see that? Easily make marmalade with this. There you are. Oh, I can pick my other knife. It takes a bit of effort. You see, this is not that, the cutting is not that good. Okay, still need to work on it. Now you notice the juice sort of breaks out from the top, but if I use a
much sharper knife, it just cut right through it. Okay, there you are. You need really sharp knife.